So here I have a VCR player, and it doesn't have any power. So I'm gonna open it up here. So it's kind of like an older technology. VCRs. Now they have DVDs, and now even DVDs are becoming extinct, kind of. Everyone just used it online, but yeah, I remember these things as a kid. So the problem with this one, it has no power. I do smell something. Something does smell a little bit burnt. So we'll see. Sometimes it's just, something small. Sometimes a fuse or something else. Maybe a small blown component, and then we can fix it. If it's something bigger, then sometimes you can find these boards in the secondhand store and stuff, the thrift shops and stuff. But let's have a look. Okay. So the power supply is just in the side here. Yeah. Okay. Try to okay, the black one is number 1 there for this that goes into the power supply. Okay. Yeah. So has a couple screws here. So this is the problem. Here's the power supply. Probably, it looks like you can't really see much, but it looks like this diode is like burnt. So it's probably a bad diode. Let's use the multimeter here. Go into diode mode, and we'll put the negative on the negative part, and so we're getting some reverse voltage there, so that's not looking good. Okay, so let's see if we have some shorts in here as well. I do smell burnt. Could be a bad capacitor as well. but it's something in there. Something in here. No. There's a small screw. So we'll take this out right here. Okay. And then looks like we can pry this out. Okay. Okay. Here we go. Here's all the goodies. Looks like we have a couple issues with this board. There's some corrosion. This pad has come right off. This trace is broke. There could have been a little short as well. You can see right here there's a capacitor. So let's see if there's a short on the capacitor. No short there. We have a resistor, which is 100 ohms. And there's some burnt marks on this trace here. Okay. It looks like you got some corrosion. You can see like there's some gunk in here. Okay, let's check out these capacitors. No short there. Alright, here we go. So this diode right here, if I put my negative probe right here and here, I'm getting I was getting a short there. Let me go over to the soldering bench now. Then you have to put it in longer. So this was a 100 microfarad capacitor. Alright, so I'm going to plug it in. We'll see if it works now. There's a couple things. I think what happened was, number one, this 100 microfarad capacitor, it's like with this kind of like disintegrate through corrosion. I think it was a corrosion problem because you can see some corrosion going on here on the PCB, and I think right in here there was a short because one of these through-hole components, the end was bent over and then it was shorting out. Anyways, let's give it a try. We'll see if it blows up here. Or blows the fuse anyways. Just plug it in. So I turned it on. Nothing's smoking. So that's the good thing, right? And then we're going to test out its voltage. So let's try to test the rectifier voltage. We're getting 27 volts, which looks good. We're getting 32 volts here. We're getting 53 volts here. Volts, 7 volts. So I think that fixed it. Let's put it back into the machine and see if it turns on now. So, alright, I'm gonna plug it in. So it's plugged in. Wrong with this. I got the power supply working, but it still doesn't turn on. It could be another problem on the circuit board. I not 100% sure. So if you repair VCRs and you have some other idea, just put the comment in the comments, and then I can have a look at it. This is kind of like all I'm gonna spend on the time wise, because you know, time's money. So I'm just gonna leave this for now, because you can pick these things up at secondhand stores and stuff for like 20 bucks. So hope you enjoyed. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching this video. Hope it helped out. If you enjoy electronics or want to learn about how to fix electronics, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.